The Tequila Sunrise. It's brash, bright and in your face. It's just like the 53-year-old rocker you know, who used to work in the video shop, who claims he was a roadie for the Rolling Stones in the 1972 tour and filled in for AC/DC's drummer when he wasn't feeling too well. The ingredient lineup: tequila, orange juice and grenadine, which is a pomegranate syrup. It tastes nicer when homemade, but the more commercial versions help deliver that gradient effect. This can be made in a glass, and on the subject to this topic, there's a Collins glass which we use in this video which is a little too big, so if you're serving these to an absolute helmet who likes Simone, pick your glassware wisely. Add to your shaker 2 ounces, that's 60ml of tequila. I'm starting this off with the shaker as I think it benefits the orange juice by giving it an aerated texture. Then add 4 ounces, that's 120ml of orange juice. Add a couple of ice cubes and shake for 10 seconds. Now this is a pure 70s drink created by Bobby Lozoff and Billy Rice at the Trident Bar in Sausalito, California. Then in 1972, during the Rolling Stones tour of the United States, they adopted this drink, along with using other substances. Add ice to your glass, pour in the contents of your shaker, then carefully drizzle over 1/4 ounce of 7.5ml grenadine. This should immediately drop to the bottom, gives you that cool gradient effect. Garnish with an orange slice. Taste wise, this is very sweet for my taste. I like the tiki kind of sweet. This is a little bit too sickly sweet for me, but if you like drinking these on holiday or listening to your best of 70s rock music or disco, go ahead. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.